Yo, what's up? This is Abang Rentaru. Today I will upgrade some part of my... It's not some part, but just I upgrade the whole computer, or rather I just build a new one. Well, some of this part is just actually a used one, like this 2 hard drive is 320 gigabyte hard drive. It's being used for this computer from the first episode that I built computers. And I just back this cooler master power supply and this old casing from the Dark Wicker from Gaming Freak. So the new things that I've only had is like HyperX Kingston DDR4. You can see this. And this Ryzen 5 processor. It's Ryzen 5 1600 with 6-core 12 thread. Then I got 2 of this Cooler Master Jet Flow 120. I got 65 ringgit. I buy 2 of this. I got let's put this here. And I got some RGB ring from Gaming Freak also for 169. Pretty good price because it has a I don't know, 3 fans and spectrum controller available, so it's basically just a fan controller. We got our Radeon RX 460 2GB. Pretty good. I think I will use this. Stupid me. Of course I will. And we have this Gigabyte Gaming AB353. So I just hope I don't have any problem with BIOS right now because I don't want to deal with this shit again. So the old cases that I use is the Dark Wiccan from Gaming Freak. Has a really good side panel, and I think I will show you what after I finish building this. Sorry because it doesn't have any build lock or something like because of I don't have much memory left. Seriously, I don't have much memory. Like 2 minute video just eat up so huge memories right now. So okay, that's all I want to say. I will catch you after I finish build this. Yo, what's up? This is Abang Rentaru. I've already finished building this computer, and I say like I want to do some follow-up with this video, and I will tell you what I feel when I'm trying to build this. It's not gonna be it's not the easiest build that I've ever had, because first I have the problem with the BIOS not detecting my HyperX Fury RAM. So I asked my friend to bring his 8GB Corsair value RAM, and my PC just detected, and I was able to go to the BIOS and update. I update the BIOS to F21 BIOS. So right now, as you can see, it's a golden build, and I just put a 3 fan on it. 2 of fan from Cooler Master and 3 from, you guess what, Gaming Freak. And we set our casing with purple color because I really love that color. It's pretty good. And the problem is with this phone right now, its autofocus, it sucks. Well, you just look at this. It's just really good. But I know because I have the limit of 8GB of RAM only, it really sucks. I mean, look at it. It's almost used all of the RAM that I have. And while the CPU itself, so guess what, barely doing anything. That's pretty good. But only if my RAM isn't too small. And I need to change my hard drive like maybe next month because it slowed down. And I think my hard drive will be broke. I think I have a problem with my internet speed. It's so slow. I mean, I've been downloading 1 GB file for 3 hours already. 3 hours. And this is by using a Unify. It really sucks, really. The download speed, upload speed, everything sucks. Well, at least you have 12 logical processors, so what do you want? So and I just try to download Honka Impact and try to play it. I think I reached a level 44, but that is not the point of these videos. The point of the videos is just that I just finished my workstation build. I know you might want to say that I just need to upgrade more RAM and get another stick, but I will get another 4 GB stick so I can run it on dual channel, or might be 16 gig. So I will buy at least three more RAM. Okay, 3 more same RAM, run at 266 megahertz. Really good. As you can see, I use a computer, okay, from HDMI to VGA because my monitor, as you can see, doesn't support HDMI. So just like that. And sorry, I charged my other phone like that. My phone only can charge while it was standing up. Maybe I need to buy another new charger. I need to buy a new charger. And you can see I just like purple color. I don't think I want to adjust color yet. I feel it's good enough. So maybe I need to grab some SSD or something because the boot itself is too slow. And maybe the almost broken hard drive I maybe use as place to save my games. I have a lot of games stored in this my WD Element external hard drive, but it's not enough. It's just 16 GB left, and I need to buy another one maybe. I store many things in this rather than I stored things in my PC, but maybe I will buy another hard drive soon and another gig of RAM. But I just hope I really have that much money on me. So as you can see, this is my whole setup. I placed my PC at the box, my casing box from the Wiccan, and I have Cooler Master Board Light 3 that I have already reviewed on my videos. And as you can see, this is my bed. Seems like a storage room, right? Well, I guess you know something. Oh well, I might put some benchmarks soon, like I don't know. Yeah, I will put some benchmarks soon. So just wait. So anyways, catch you later.